Yeah, once we'll talk to you a little bit more. Big tractor that we just saw win the last lap. And Travis Hara, Liberation, out of Waterford. We'd like that photo. It made a pretty similar run to what he did the last time, didn't he? The distance in the last class was 279 in Ohio, Michigan, and Indiana. Broken the boots. You saw him come off the line, which was kind of in the middle there, and really had to get on that brake pretty hard. About the 125. I see the 300-foot sign there, and I know I got to be across there, or I got to be closer than another. Driver's a little bit different. Did you see how he came off the line there, and it was a little bit cautious coming off there. And then he built. Sometimes it's hard to do well at all. So we'll see what Ed Johnson does with the big Johnson.